How to disable Android lock screen. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. After you've opened Settings, scroll down and click on Security and Lock Screen. After you've clicked on Security and Lock Screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Lock Screen Passcode. Add your passcode, then you'll find this kind of screen. At the top, click on None. After you've clicked on None, simply click on Yes, Remove. After you've clicked on Yes, Remove, your lock screen will be disabled. And this is how to disable Android lock screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.